Hello student, welcome back to our video. Today I am going to discuss about 20 MCQ science question for class 10 CBSE, ICSE and West Bengal board also. So let's start. First question, the brown gas evolved on heating of copper nitrate is option A O2, option B NO2, option C N2 and option D NO. So the answer is option B NO2. Next question, question number 2. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is option A 1:1, option B 2:1, option C 4:1 and option D 1:2. So the answer is option B 2:1. As we know, 2H2O plus O2. So the answer is option number B 2:1. Next question, question number 3. Accumulation of non-biodegradable pesticides in the food chain in increasing amount at each higher trophic level is known as eutrophication, option B pollution, option C biomagnification, option D accumulation. So the answer is biomagnification. If you know what is eutrophication, then comment below. Next question, question number 4. The percentage of solar radiation absorbed by all green plants for photosynthesis is about option A 1%, option B 5%, option C 8% and option D 10%. So the answer is option A 1%. As we know, green plants use 1% of the radiation absorbed by their leaves to perform photosynthesis. So next question, question number 5. The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from short-circuiting overloading is option A earthing, option B use of stabilizer, option C use of fuse and option D use of electric meter. So the answer is option C use of fuse. Fuse are safety devices that are to be built into our electric system. Next question. Question number 6. In an electrical circuit, two resistors of 2 ohm and 4 ohm respectively connected in series to a 6-volt battery. The heat dissipated by the 4 ohm resistor in 5 seconds will be. So resistor R equals to 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. The current I equals to 6 volt and 6 resistor. So current I equals to 6 by 6 equals to 1 ampere. So heat equals to I square RT. So 4 ohm resistor I equals to 1 resistor into 4 and then time into 5 seconds. So the answer is 20 joule. So the answer is 20 joule. Next question, question number 7. The heating element of an electric iron is made up of option A copper, option B nichrome and option C aluminium and option D iron. So the answer is option B nichrome. As we know, nichrome is an alloy of nickel and chromium. It has high melting point of 1400 degrees centigrade. Next question, question number 8. When white light passes through a prism, the component color which undergoes maximum bending is option A red, option B green, option C violet, and option D blue. So the answer is option C violet. Next question, question number 9. The change of focal length of eye lens is caused by the action of the ciliary muscle, option A, option B iris, option C cornea, and option D pupil. So the answer is option A ciliary muscle. The relaxation or contraction of ciliary muscles changes the curvature of the eye lens. Next question, of question number 10. A full length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using option A concave mirror, option B a convex mirror, option C a plane mirror, and option D both concave as well as plane mirror. So the answer is a convex mirror, option B. As we all know, a convex mirror image is always smaller than the object size, resulting in an erect and fictitious image of the thing. Next question, question number 11. A student conducts an activity using a flask of height 15 cm and a concave mirror. He finds that the image formed is 45 cm in height. What is the magnification of the image? As we know, magnification equals to height of the image by height of the object. So the answer is 45 by 15 equals to 3 times. So the answer is 3 times, option D. Next question, question number 12. The process where characteristics are transmitted from parent to offspring is called heredity, option B. Next, question number 13. Fruits are formed from option A stamen, option B stigma, option C ovary, and option D ovule. So the answer is option C ovary. Next question, question number 14. An organism capable of reproducing by two asexual reproduction methods, one similar to the reproduction in yeast and the other similar to the reproduction in planaria is option A Spirogyra, option B Hydra, option C Biophyllum, and option D Paramecium. So the answer is option B Hydra. Hydra can reproduce by the method of budding similar to yeast, and also by regeneration as in the case of planaria. Next, assertion and reason based question. Question number 15. The use of iodized salt prevent risk of goiter. The assertion is correct, and the reason is iodized salt provide iodine needed by the thyroid gland to make sufficient thyroxine for our body, and the reason is also correct. So, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So, both A and are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So, answer is A, option A. Next question, question number 16. Assertion. Kidney perform a dual function in our body. As we all know, the kidney has various functions. It removes waste and extra fluid. It acts as filter to remove waste. It controls blood pressure, it helps in red blood cell formation, and it controls dual function. So the assertion is true. And reason, selective reabsorption occurs in the glomerulus. As we all know, the reason is false because the selective reabsorption takes place in the PCT and not in the glomerulus. So assertion is true and reason is false. So the answer is option C. Question number 17. Assertion. Arteries always carry oxygenated blood. So assertion is correct. And reason, arteries transport blood from the heart to different parts of the body. and the reason is also correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is option B. Question number 18. Nitrogen is a non-metal. So non-metal are natural material that do not produce heat or electricity. Example as hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen are the non-metallic element in the periodic table. If an element valence shell has 5, 6 or 7 or 8 electron, it is classified known as a non-metal. Reason is nitrogen has 5 valence electron. So the assertion and reject both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the answer is option A. Question number 19. Assertion: Al2O3 is an amphoteric oxide. Aluminium on reaction with oxygen forms alumina, which show both acidic as well as basic behavior. Such metal oxide will react with both acid as well as bases to produce salt and water are known as amphoteric oxide. So the assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the right answer. Next question, question number 20. This is the last question. Assertion: HCl gas does not change the color of dry blue litmus paper. HCl gas does not show its acidic character without dissolving in water, because water disassociates it into H plus and Cl minus ion. Here H plus show acidic character and acid is the proton donor, and the solution of HCl has proton to donate them to others. So to show acidic character of HCl gas, it needs to dissolve in water. Therefore assertion is correct, that is HCl gas does not change the color of dry blue litmus paper, because dry litmus doesn't have water molecule to dissociate the HCl into ion. Reason is also correct, and the correct explanation of assertion and reason: wet litmus paper have water molecule in which HCl gas dissolved to form H plus ion, and H plus ion change the color of blue litmus paper into red. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is option A. That's all for today. If you like this video, please click like button. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel, because this kind of MCQ question are coming soon that will help you a lot. Thanks for watching.